Hey y'all, CoZzy here. We're going to do a video on forging. So let's go over here to our inventory. And it shows that we have an upgrade on our quill that's 10.5% for construction. And click on that first one. And you want to combine. Click on the second one and combine. And that's as far as we can combine. So that did it enough for us. We can enhance. And we need to wait for 13 hours to go by. Let's do it 8, 5, and 45. 45 and 1 minute. Okay. Now, for the fun of it, let's go over and check our crystals. Yes, we do have some crystals that we can combine. This is for construction. Now let's go put our crystals in our construction gear. So we want to go to equipment and inlay, filter, and go to construction. And we're going to go to hats. We don't have a construction hat, so that's something we need to forge. Plated coat, merino boots, copper cane. So let's put a construction crystal in the quill. We'll do a level 5. And that brought us up to 18%. That's wonderful. Let's try that again. We started out at 16%. And I'm going to add a level 5. Now it's 18%. Okay, and what did we say we needed? A hat. And looks like I might want to put a crystal in that cane. Okay, let's go forge a hat for construction. So go to all equipment, filter, construction. And we start off with a level 1. And we want a hat. So there's a wool hat. Although I do not like the ones that have time reduction. But it looks like we don't have any choice. That's all they give us choice of doing. So we'll take that one. And we'll go ahead and pay 72 gold for that. We have so much gold. Well, it says we can do it again. Alright, wonderful. So now we have a construction hat. So let's go to equipment. Oh, it says that we can upgrade it already. Combine. Combine. And that should be enough. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. Now, oh, we can do it again. I'll be darned. Combine. I would like to give a shout out for this video on forging gear to go out to Sylvia, Gray Force, Lucas Kane, Chess 71, and FF4F. That includes El Gringo Loco and Mad Max and Persian, Mahmoud, and Cannon 8, Bro 20, Gun Ice 4. All you guys. Here's a video on forging gear. Nice, now we got it all the way up to blue. Let's see if we can get it purple. Purple is rare. See over here on the right side, this is rare. And it's already going to take an hour off every time we use it on any construction that we do. And we need to combine. And combine. 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 Let's see. Yeah, we can get it purple. Right on. We're moving right on up. Okay, we won't be able to turn it into gold because we don't have enough to combine on our prayer beads. So now let's change this up and go to some battle gear. Okay, let's see what we have in our inventory already. Let's go with infantry first. Take the construction off. Infantry. Do we have infantry hat? Yes, we have a guardian hat. No, we need a... Yeah, let's go forge a shirt for our infantry. So we can either go to set equipment and go down here to infantry. I think I want to see if I can get a higher level one than that. So let's try for elegance. Elegance, and we're looking for a hat. Right? Yeah. Elegance hat. And that's the only choice we have. Okay, so let's get out of here and go to all equipment and see what we can do there. Let's go to take off construction. Put on infantry. And SVS is starting. Okay, infantry hat. Infantry hat. Let's see, we have a guardian hat. And an elegance hat. We'll go with guardian because it looks like it's a lot better. At 1.5% attack compared to 0.8%. And let's forge us a guardian. They need some more silver to do this one. I'll just go ahead and take one of the 1,500,000 and forge it. Let's see if we can upgrade it. And we cannot. But now we have an infantry hat. Let's go to inventory. Infantry hat. Oh, we didn't need that hat. So I'm going to click on it. And on the upper right hand corner is a trash can. And say okay. They'll give us one of our black ore. Nice. We needed a shirt. That's what we needed. Boy, my memory's terrible. So go over there. Click infantry. And then click on shirts. Okay, an Albor's jacket is 2.3%. Infantry attack 1.8. 1% on it. Elegance. Our sheriff's not at a high enough level to get a pioneer jacket. A raider suit. Okay, so let's go back up here. And it looks like we're going to get the Albert's jacket. And with some silver, we can upgrade it. Okay, yep, now it's 5.8% on infantry attack. Let's see, we need some more black coal. We can combine. 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 Oh, we combined too much, so now we want to decompose one time. Okay, now we have enough, 4/2. Now we need some copper ingot. Combine. Nope, we did too much there too, so I don't think we have enough to upgrade it. Let's see. Nope, we do not have enough to upgrade for it to become green. See, we can click it on that 4, and it did not give us enough. So, we do have an Alward's jacket. Now let's go and see what else we needed in our infantry. We have a hat, and I can throw that one away. It did have a troop load. I should have kept it. Oops. Oh well. And we don't need the cotton coat. We might be using it for our research though, so we'll save it. What about boots? We can get some better boots. See, what we have now was cowboy boots and Raiders boots. Raiders boots is 1.6. Let's see if we can find something better. Okay, go to infantry filter. Boots, 1.6. Okay, that's the best boots we can get, so we'll keep those boots. I'll go back here. Now we'll see about a gun. Oh, we got a Raiders horsewhip. That's going to be our best. Let's go see if we have any infantry. Oh, well, we're not done yet. We also want to check our accessories. We have a Guardian telescope. Okay, we need one more. Let's go up here to all equipment. Make sure it's on infantry. And then accessories. And let's get a pack of smokes. It's at 1.4%. Decompose. And one more time. Now that put us right over where we needed. Looks like if we have some silver, we can upgrade it. Okay, that's enough. So we'll upgrade that. Now, can we upgrade it again? Now we want to combine. I'm trying to get it to the green. Let's check. Yep, that gave us enough. Now diamonds are very hard to come by, and we don't have enough, so we cannot upgrade the pack of smokes. But we have all the infantry gear we need now, so now we want to go to our crystals, down to infantry, and let's combine some of them and try to get some crystals put into some of our gear. Combine them as far as they'll let you go. Alright, now Let's go back over to equipment and inlay, infantry. Go to our hat, and it has all the crystals it needs. So now our shirt and Alward's jacket, we want to put a infantry. We have 2 level 4s, which is 12% extra. Okay, let's go and see if we can get some life and defense crystals. Okay, on our life crystals, we can combine. I don't like to use them unless I can get them to the green. And we can't get it to the green. Okay, what about the defense? Oh, we got it past the green. Oh, we got some good defense. Wow, all the way up to purple. That's awesome. So that purple's worth plus 18% on our defense. So let's go inlay that. Make sure you got it on infantry. And we're going to put it in our jacket. A defense crystal at a level 5. That's wow. Okay. There you go. And that one was for our infantry. And we didn't have one for the live, but that's okay. Alright. So that's all of our infantry gear. And that's how you forge. It's very simple, very easy. It seems intimidating and a little overwhelming at first, but you just have to get in there and play around with it and do it. Make sure that you combine your crystals every chance you get. Let's see the range. We can combine some of those. Nice. One more time because it's at a 4. There you go. Now we got it all the way up to plus 12%. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. Good luck in SVS and kick some ass. Have a good night, y'all. Bye.